Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to change the vibration intensity on your Google Pixel. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To change vibration intensity, open the main settings app first and then tap on sound and vibration from the list. Within here, scroll down and choose vibration and haptics. Make sure the vibration toggle switch is turned on at the top first, and also check your device is not set to silent by pressing a volume button. You can now adjust each of the vibration sliders to your preference. The further left, the less it will vibrate. You might also want to customize other settings on this page, such as the option to turn on or turn off adaptive vibration, which can affect the intensity. You can also change the touch feedback below this. That's how to change the vibration intensity on your Google Pixel. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Google Pixel. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.